Today we're going to save money. I'm going to show you how to make your own automatic dishwasher detergent very, very easily. What you're going to need is 1 cup of washing soda, and you're going to put it in a bowl. You'll take 1 cup of borax, put it in the bowl. And these two things you buy in the laundry additive aisle at the grocery store. Then we're going to take 1/2 cup of kosher salt. And what I have here is 5 packets of lemonade Kool-Aid mix. That is for the citric acid, which stops spotting on your dishes. We're going to simply mix that together well, pour it into a jar with a lid, and use it to clean our dishes. We're going to use 1 tablespoon for a regular load of dishes, 2 tablespoons for an extra dirty load. That's all it takes, and you can do this for pennies. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.